This is Toby. Today, Toby wants to buy an iPad case. Toby. Toby! Today, I want to buy an iPad case for my 2018 6th generation iPad here. I'd like a case that has a keyboard as well, because I tend to type a lot on my iPad, and I do not like the feeling of the virtual keyboard. Unnecessary camera change, but okay. I find that it's not a pleasurable way to type for a long period of time. Okay. Yes. Toby's gonna do some research on the internet like an average consumer, and look for the appropriate product for his stupid iPad, right? After doing some prior research on iPad cases, Toby narrows it down to 2 items and decides to go back on Amazon.com to view the products that he already looked at so many fucking times. Toby goes on Amazon.com and finds 2 products that comes up that has a decent looking design and customer ratings. Toby first scans through the ratings and see if there's a star that has less than 5, which might be a red flag. Toby comes across this keyboard case, manufactured by Yekby, if that's how you pronounce it. Toby scrolls down and compares this with some other similar items. It turns out that the Yekby has 800 positive reviews, and the price point is around $65, which is pretty cheap. Toby proceeds to look at some customer reviews. So far, he likes everything he sees. No negative reviews, all 5 stars. Happy customers means great product. Toby now compares this to the other product, which is the Logitech iPad Slim Folio case. And holy fuck, only 3 stars. And the price is a whopping $98. Turn your tablet into a laptop? But that's it. It doesn't even turn 360 degrees. The battery lasts up to 4 years? Holy fuck. Like, I'm gonna need that for 4 years. I'd replace it with a newer one, probably a newer iPad by then. This thing weighs around 1.54 pounds, which is slightly heavier than the Yekby. And yet again, Toby scrolls down to the customer review section. And so far looking, holy fuck. 1 star, the buttons fall off. Well, that's never a good sign. And below that, another 1 star. Not as good as previous models. Whatever that means, it's still a 1 star, and it means it sucks. We're seeing a mixture of 5 stars and holy shit, another 1 star. Good for typing at a desk, but lacks versatility. Avoid. Keys rub against screen. Yeah, that is a no from me, for sure. So Toby, have you made up your mind on which one you're going for? Yes. Well, which one are you going for, bitch? I'm going to go for the Yekby case because it has no negative reviews, and that's very important for me. It is lighter, it is significantly cheaper, and it has multiple display modes. And it has a backlit keyboard with multiple colors to choose from, and that's great because I get bored very quickly. Just like your stupid face. Great. Why don't you go ahead and place your order now? Toby has to wait a couple of days until the package arrives, but luckily you don't have to. Click here if you want to see Toby eagerly unbox the Yekby iPad keyboard case. Not there, Toby. I said not there. Not there! There we go. Well, thank you for watching. See you next time. Maybe.